H tier on final approach. Clear to land. 500 feet. Checks complete. Everything looks normal. Idle throttle. Flare. Not really stable landing, isn't it? What was that? Gears collapsing. We lost the gear. Race! Race! We lost the control.
Do you have a runaway in sight? Negative. Still nothing. Stick with the instruments.
Approaching minimums.
I think I see something. Wait, no, that's not the runaway. What's that opposite now? Oh my God, we have to roll. Pull up! Pull up!
Terrain. Terrain. Terrain.
We're going down, babe. We're gone.
Landing checklist complete. Speed is good. On glide path. Wait, what's that ahead? Is that another aircraft? Oh my God, full brakes. Full brakes. There's something on the runway. We can't stop in the time. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Takeoff thrust set. Airspeed alive. 80 knots. Check. We are barely off the ground. Something's wrong. Speed is not coming up.
Think rate.
We are losing airspeed. Maximum, come on. We are too low. Missed the head. We don't have enough speed. Race for the impact. Race for the impact.
Engaging in maneuver. Turning right. Increasing speed. Something feels off. Controls aren't flowing. Well, trying to stabilize. Pitching down. Trying to pull up. I hear no response. I'm in a dive. Mayday, mayday. Falcon 22 is out of control. Descending fast. Pull up. Explosion, rapid decompression. Mayday, mayday, Piata, 1062. We had explosion report. We're breaking apart. We're going down. We lost everything. Brace for the impact. Break.
I'm seeing the wording on engine 1. All pressure is dropping. Engine 1 is on fire. Shutting is down. PR 99. Declaring emergency. We have an engine fire. Oh my God, it's getting worse. Get ready for an emergency descent. Holy God! Mayday! Mayday! They're setting it rapidly! Oh my God! Thrust set. Airspeed increasing. 80 knots. Check. Positive rate. Wait. Your airspeed is dropping. We're not climbing at all. Okay, we are stalling. We need more power. Pitch down. I can't recover. We're too low. We're getting down.
Here. Yeah, keep an eye on the instruments. Terrain radar shows mountains ahead, but we should be clear. What? They can be right. We should be clear of the terrain. Pulling off just in case. We're not climbing fast enough. Holy mountains are too close.
Nevada, 562. We had an explosion in the cargo hold. We're losing speed, we're losing pressure, we are falling apart. We are breaking apart. We're going down and nothing's responding. Mayday, mayday. Okay, emergency landing, emergency landing.
Hold on, something's wrong with the engine. We're losing power. We just lost the engine. No power going for a forced landing. Altitude's dropping fast. Hang on, it's going to be rough. Passengers, don't worry, we'll be landing really soon. We'll be okay. Don't worry. Brace for the impact. Hold on tight. Oh, okay, we are down. A little rough, but we are safe.
Visibility terrible, barely anything on approach. Stay sharp. I think we are too high. Speed still up. We are not stopping fast enough. We are running out for runaway. We are off for the runaway. Trees ahead. Okay.
I'm losing consciousness. My heart. I may have a stroke.
Bank angle, 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 bank angle.
Engine 2 is on fire. Starting out, deploy fire suppression immediately. Mayday, mayday. NX 772, engine failure